You've been told to do Kegels, but you're likely ignoring the muscle that actually controls your dragon's power. Most men weaken their floor by squeezing too hard. Today, we fix that in real time. This is the Dragon Protocol. No equipment, just physiology. To last longer and stand stronger, you need length, not just tightness. Sit on the edge of a chair, feet flat, spine straight. Let's find the connection. Move 1, the hollow hold. Don't squeeze your glutes, just pull your belly button in. This activates the support system for your core without tightening the groin. Hold it, breathe through your nose, and release. Mistake number 1, do not slump. Slumping shuts off the pelvic signal. Reset your posture, chest up, inhale deep into the belly. Now, let's wake up the power source. Move 2, the hip hinge. Push your hips back. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. This opens the pelvic floor. When the floor stretches, blood flow increases. Tension kills performance. Drive forward and squeeze the glutes. This is the pump action your body needs. Back for the stretch. Allow everything to relax. And forward for the power. Do 5 of these every morning. This motion forces blood into the pelvic region, waking up dormant nerves. One last time, go slow, feel the hamstrings lengthen. Now, the secret weapon, the reverse Kegel. Instead of stopping urine, imagine you are pushing it out, gently. Push down, expand the space behind the scrotum. Feel the pressure drop. Hold that expansion. This signals your nervous system to relax and endure. This releases the pressure on the pudendal nerve, giving you total control.
Caution, do not strain like you are on the toilet. It is a subtle 10% push.
Lower the internal pressure. High pressure equals quick finish. Low pressure equals stamina. 30 seconds of this reverse hold is worth 100 regular squeezes. Finally, move 4, the static bridge. Lie back. Lift your hips, but here's the trick. Keep your pelvic floor completely relaxed. Isolate the glutes. If you clench your front, you lose the benefit. Hold. Shake if you have to. This builds the stamina you need for the bedroom. We are holding for 10 seconds. Breathe. Keep the glutes firing. Keep the front relaxed. 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Feel the rush of blood return to the center. 3 moves. Hollow hold, hip hinge, static bridge. You don't need pills. You need blood flow and muscle control. Try the Dragon Protocol for 7 days. Try the Dragon Protocol for 7 days.
Mark your calendar. Do not skip a single day.
Hit subscribe so you don't miss the advanced routine next week. Your hardware is fine. You just need to update the software. See you in the next one.